Hey Fantastic family, welcome back to another video. Guys, today I am at my doctor's office just doing my regular checkup, and I just wanted to show you guys how nice and clean the place is and how there are no lines. It's just a quick in and out. So today I want to also make a stop at Walmart just to pick up some household stuff and some stuff for the kids. So stick around. Before we head to Walmart, I just want to encourage someone today, just to let you know that every day is like a blank page waiting for a new story. Guys, you don't have to have everything figured out. Just take one step at a time. Even the smallest steps can lead to big victories. We just gotta keep trusting God, because what feels like a delay might just be Him preparing something far better than you can imagine. Guys, I may just have to spend the rest of the day in Walmart because it is so hot today, like extremely hot. But no worries, let's go ahead and pick up those stuff that I need for the kids and for the house. So I walked in and the first thing that greet me is flowers. So if you love flowers, you can go to Walmart to get your flowers. Let me grab my ketchup. Next is the taco shells, and they like the one with the seasoning on it. Last time I purchased one with cheese and they didn't even look at it. Next up is a car seat for Zai. I need to change his seat, so let me see what they have here. I prefer like a black. Hopefully they have that color. When I'm done shopping, I'm coming back to take a nap right here. The heat makes me tired, so soon come back. Ding ding ding. Bingo. Black car seat found. I'm taking that one. I can't believe summer is almost over. So Walmart put out their stuff for back to school. So they have some really nice outfit for boys and girls. And then they have the uniform, so need to check those out. All I need from the school supplies section are pencils and erasers. But since I'm already here, let's just take a look at the prices of the other stuff. These are some cool book bags. So I would really like these, but I already purchased his book bag. I bought it on Amazon. I think I purchased this stuff from like June. I'm an early shopper. I don't like the rush. I need to pick up some of the markers, the whiteboard markers for Zai. He likes to write and he has a whiteboard. But the problem is they last just like one day, like one marker per day, because he leaves it open and that's the end of it. So I need to grab some of those. These are the pencils that I want for him, the large ones, because the point does not break easily. So I'm gonna pick up those and then get him the sharpener and get some colorful pencils as well. But people, look at this Halloween stuff already, and it's just July. So that means I need to start doing my Christmas shopping from now, because Halloween is all the way in October. Well, I guess we can start doing the shopping early. Thank you all so much for spending the day with me and watching the video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.